Have you ever searched for your company online and seen something a little off? Maybe some listing has your address wrong or it uses an old phone number. Well, that might become more common thanks to AI, but it doesn't have to be this way forever. If you stay vigilant, you can protect your brand from AI misinformation, and I'll explain how in this video. So, you may know and love AI as a helpful assistant. It gives you content ideas, analyzes data. It's a great tool. When AI powers search results, like in Google's AI overviews or ChatGPT's responses, it pulls information from everywhere. And everywhere includes places like Reddit forums or old blog posts, places where outdated or incorrect facts tend to live. Sometimes it even makes things up, which many people refer to as hallucinations. But why does this matter to your business? Well, because your customers are using these tools right now. In our recent survey, we found that about 80% of people are using AI at least a few times per week. Out of those AI users, about 65% use it for research and fact-finding. If an AI tool gives them one piece of wrong information, an incorrect price, a bad review, or a made-up controversy, you could lose a customer before they even reach your website. Your brand's reputation is suddenly in the hands of an algorithm that might be getting its facts from a grumpy comment made 3 years ago. That's not ideal. But don't worry, this isn't something that happens all the time. I know it sounds scary. Just look at it as an opportunity to take control of your brand's narrative. Here's how you can start protecting your brand today. First, do an AI audit. Go to ChatGPT, Google's AI search, and other tools you have access to. Then ask them about your brand. What is insert company name? Or tell me about company names, reputation, and work culture. Whatever areas of your business you want to check, ask AI. The Omni SEO platform, powered by our team of experts, can help you remove some of the manual work in your AI audit. Are there any AI errors? Is an AI tool pulling from weird sources? This is a great starting point. Doing an audit like this at regular intervals, maybe quarterly if your schedule allows for it, can help you keep tabs on your visibility. You may find it helpful to create a repeatable action plan for when you find AI misinformation in your audits. Which people do what, when to respond, and things like that. Next, the easiest thing you can do from there is give the AI tool feedback. Most tools will have some sort of upvote, downvote system that helps them understand good and bad responses. Give a thumbs down to those incorrect responses as you see them. If you notice that the tool is pulling from a website with wrong information, visit that website. You might be able to remove the outdated info yourself in some cases, like if it's coming from a directory you logged into years ago. Now, if you're not that lucky and you can't make the changes yourself, get in touch with the website's owner to make a change or offer a correction. Now, this might not work since it's not something that you control, so just be prepared for that outcome. If you've done everything you can to remove the information from the web, but it's still not working, your next step is to drown out the incorrect information with more authoritative, correct information. The first place you should turn to is your website. Make sure your website is the most reliable, authoritative source of information for your brand. The source of truth, as they say. You can create an evergreen FAQ or about page that defines your company and what you're all about. That's a great foundation for your brand to build on. Now, on those core brand pages, update your content, structure it clearly, and answer the questions your customers are actually asking. Think of it as feeding the AI correct answers for its test. If clear content is the answer key, schema markup is the study guide. These pieces of code can help both search engines and LLMs understand more about your content, what it is, the publishing details, if it's a video, the length of the video, and more. You wouldn't give your friends an old address or a map with half the roads missing. Why would you do that for your future customers? Fifth, be a part of the conversation. Don't be scared of places like Reddit or Quora, even LinkedIn or other social media platforms. If you find misinformation about your brand, consider offering a polite correction. Don't forget to be genuinely helpful in your response. Authenticity is so important in online conversations. A kind response shows you're engaged and allows you to put the right information out there directly and respectfully. Build relationships with trusted publishers too. Collaborate on videos, release joint studies, get your brand recognized through industry publications. Working with other reputable companies can help boost your own image. And finally, amplify the good stuff. Encourage your happy customers to leave detailed reviews. Reviews are awesome for sharing brand information and building trust with your audience. Work with influencers and publishers you trust too. The more positive, accurate information there is about you online, the more AI has to work with, and it's likely you'll see less misinformation in AI's responses. Now look, AI is here to stay. It's an amazing tool for growth when used correctly. The key is not to let it define your brand for you. By being proactive, you can guide AI to the correct story. It's a new frontier in digital marketing, and it's not always easy, but you got this. Now, if you're curious about what AI is saying about your brand, that's something we can help with. Reach out and let's make sure your reputation is in the right hands. Yours. Thanks for watching.